My name is Elisabeth Berger. I'm Head of Institute for Entrepreneurship. This year's Founders Week has been amazing. What a wonderful learning journey and learning space for all the participants who took part in this. What a wonderful week of entrepreneurial spirit for lots of students enthusiastic about innovation and entrepreneurship. This has been a week in which a lot of students turned up on a Monday morning without an idea of what could happen, and today on a Friday have pitched a business opportunity that is worth pursuing and everyone got excited about. This event wouldn't have been possible with lots of support from great team members, sponsors, and lots of other mentors and experts from the Upper Austrian ecosystem. We're very grateful to offer this program to students, which not only helps them develop their entrepreneurial skills, but also gets them in touch with different network partners and ecosystem partners and helps them take their first steps on their entrepreneurial journey. No matter whether you have an idea or not, don't miss out to be part of the Founders Week 2025 in February.